In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import account via JSON in AdsPower. To get started, open your AdsPower client and look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the New Profile button there. Go ahead and click it to begin creating a fresh browser profile where your imported account data will be stored. Once the profile window opens, fill in the main profile details. This includes the profile name, the operating system setting, and your proxy configuration if you're using one. It's a good idea to double-check these settings before moving on, because they help define how the profile will behave once it's launched. Keeping these details organized can also make it much easier to manage multiple profiles later. After that, scroll down until you reach the information section. This area contains fields for additional account data, and it's where you'll be placing the JSON information needed for the import. In the information section, find the cookie field. This is the key part of the process. In that text box, paste your JSON code directly as provided. Make sure the full code is inserted cleanly into the field without extra spaces or missing characters, since formatting issues can sometimes prevent the login session from loading correctly. Once the JSON code has been pasted in, click OK to save the profile. That will finalize the import and store the session data inside the new AdsPower profile. Now, when you open that profile, you should be automatically logged into the account associated with the imported JSON data. If it doesn't load as expected, it's worth reviewing the profile settings and confirming that the JSON was pasted completely and correctly. And that's it. That's how to import an account via JSON and AdsPower quickly and cleanly.